Yeah, like we were
Okay,
talking about
we were talking about Gulabo
stuff.
Sitabo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you guys
Sayan.
like this? Yeah.
Wait,
I
we'll
watched
ask.
Gulabo
We'll come
Sitabo.
from Sayan. Sayan,
Yeah.
did you like Gulabo Sitabo?
I watched, but I think Gulabo Sitabo is the weakest film of Sujit Sarkar
Yeah.
because the story was good, very good, but performance and the build up is, I think, weak. I think we was weak, and Vijay Raj and Amitabh Bachchan was not so good. I think in the roles, but Ayushmann Khurrana did well. He tried to do, but the story is sometimes gone very weak. So I think Gulabo Sitabo is the weakest film of Sujit Sarkar. Despite he made all great films, but
Yeah. Yeah.
Gustavo is not that kind of well.
Yeah. Check.
Okay.
Charan?
See, like Sayan said, I have another question. Did you feel, Sayan, did you feel that Gulabo Sitabo's slang was proper? Do they speak like that in Lucknow? Because the slang was something like suddenly there was general Hindi and suddenly there was Lucknow's words. I wasn't able to connect with the slang of Hindi because I have studied Hindi. Like I know Hindi personally somehow to me.
Guys, just
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I know
Yeah.
Hindi personally to me. MSB Subha, I
Yeah.
know Hindi
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
personally. I know to speak a little and I know to read very well. I
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
to write
Same.
very well.
Yeah. I
But I
already
know to
told you, right?
speak a
I
little and I
already.
know to understand a little. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I
when I
already
saw
told you, right?
Gulabo Sitabo,
Same for me. Like I know to read and write, and I understand. I mean, I understand almost okay. I mean, like not almost okay. I mean like 50% or 60% I understand.
okay,
Yeah, yeah,
little
I understand. Yeah, like not little, like moderate. Yeah,
moderator.
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
understand little. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, because I lived in Pune. Okay, I lived in Pune for some 5 months or 6 months. Okay, it's not like lived in, but I'm there in Pune for some time. So I know the like that time I I I I used to communicate in Hindi with few people because like that is one such a thing that I always
Okay,
get
okay, okay.
chips and lemon.
pissed
Okay,
off
yeah.
with Hindi people. Yes, so sorry, I just finished it now. Yeah, because like
Okay.
they didn't know English at all. Okay, they didn't know English a single person. Okay, like for example, if you see small piece means they didn't know the small piece. You have to say छोटी वाला का पैसे कितने हैं so you have to be like that. So it is very very hard for me, so like that then I know Hindi a bit, okay, like you said I know to speak a bit and understand 50-60%. So but in that film the problem for me is it is somewhere down the line Aishman, it is Amitabh Bachchan film than Ayushmann Khurrana film. It's about Amitabh Bachchan than yeah, and also it is not so well made in my opinion. It was okay, it was okay to watch, but not so great films because yeah, he have done some consecutively 8 or 9 hits, from Meri Peri Bindu to Shubhangal Shahzad. He have gave a lot of hits, like some 9 hits, and then this film will work. Yeah, all for me. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, sorry.
Actually, Gulabos, like you both said, Gulabo Sitabo is the weakest film. I have watched Shujit Sarkar's October, Madras Cafe, then what?
Piku Wiki Donor.
Vicky Donor. Yeah, I watched like almost most of his films,
Yeah, yeah.
but I really felt Gulabo Sitabo was weak in all terms except the story and the plot twist they had in the end. I never expected coming the twist. That was really well made. The twist was organic actually.
Yeah.
But when it comes to slang, I couldn't understand. See, is
Yeah,
this
same
Hindi
happened.
or is this Lucknowi? What is going on? Suddenly, someone is speaking Hindi, someone is speaking like local slang of Lucknowi. I was like, what is going on in this movie? Without
In that
subtitles,
film,
I
I
could
really
have
love
never
the
watched
art
it.
direction things and all. I really love the art direction things. Those are all really good, but as a film, like
But
somewhere down
I
the
am
line,
I
story,
have to say
screenplay have problems. Yeah,
I have to say no screenplay was very slow.
yeah.
I
Slow
think
is
I
not the
haven't
matter.
seen
Like
a
slow is not the problem, but still somewhere down the
no
line, it's not
yeah.
so engaging.
But in
Yeah,
Ayushmann Khurrana movie, I haven't seen such a slow screenplay filled movie.
yeah, yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Maybe the plot would have needed the slowness and stableness, but that was quite too much. At least at some point they could have chopped off. The 2 hours felt like a long one.
And science. Yeah,
And
yeah.
especially uh, also Ayushmann Khurrana did a movie like Gulabo Sitabo. That was my relief,
Sorry, sorry.
because when you have Amitabh Bachchan,
Yeah,
when you have that senior actress, I forgot her name.
uh, she's no more.
She's no
Yeah.
more. I loved her. They both he gave the space to both of them to perform.
Yeah, like my problem is not that, like in all of his films, he gave that space. In Badaiho also, he gave the space to Meena Gupta and her husband, like his father in the film. Yeah, but this film, I think the story or something the problem. I don't know what it is because like it
Story
has
was
this,
ultimate, but
yeah,
really, to
yeah,
be honest,
like
Gulabo
the thing is
Sitabo
like,
is a film. See,
yeah, yeah.
Gulabo Sitabo is a film that has a realistic story. I have seen such kind of stories in my real life regarding the land issues. See, I
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah.
seen tenants who I
But
have
I think
seen
Gulabo
tenants.
Sitabo's casting was not good. But when you saw Ayushmann Khurrana, Amitabh Bachchan, they did not as perfect at the place. When that's like when I saw the uh, village type story, Gangs of Wasipur, the all cast is perfect. Like Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Pankaj Tripathi, Tigmangshu Dila was good. But when I saw Gulabo Sitabo, casting is very poor, but they didn't match the story and the dialogue delivery and the type of speech is not like in the Lucknow style.
Yeah, that's what I
Didn't know
asked.
Lucknow
That's what
very
I
much.
asked.
I didn't know Lucknow very much, but I think Lucknow, I know that kind of much that this did not match like Lucknow speech. That's
Yeah,
like
that's what I
uh,
asked, because
hmm,
sometimes they speak Hindi and sometimes they speak local slang in Gulabo Sitabo. I know Hindi and how they speak with that slang. Even Lucknow has their local language. But when I saw Gulabo Sitabo, I was pretty much confused.
Like
Uh,
Urdu, right?
like
In
they are
Lucknow, they
speaking
speak Urdu,
general
right?
Hindi. Yeah, they
But
also
the thing
speak
is,
Urdu.
yeah,
They also speak Lucknow local language. They have a Lucknow local language. I think it is Lucknow V or something. They speak everything in that.
I
I
told
was
before
like,
that when his story is good or bad, but Ayushmann Khurrana tries all time. In the Gulabo Sitabo, he tries to perform very well, but the story is not well, so he failed. But
yeah.
he tried at his best. In
Like,
like other
so
films, like
yeah.
recent times, the story is
Sayan,
bad, but Abhishek Bachchan tries.
yeah, Sayan said that casting was not perfect. Let's leave casting aside. The makeup for Amitabh Bachchan was very bad.
yeah, that,
I
that,
really
that,
didn't want to see
that is one of
Amitabh
the things
Bachchan
that
like
made
that.
me uh,
In
like
Pa,
I
the
didn't like
makeup
that first
the
of all.
makeup of Amitabh Bachchan is very, very outstanding in Pa. But when I say
Yeah,
Gulabo Sitabo is very funny, unrealistic look.
yes,
If
Yeah,
you saw Pa, you think that this so real.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
In
True.
the India, the makeup and VFX is going to another level. In Bell Bottom, I didn't know that Indira Gandhi is Lara Datta. I saw Google, then I know that the Indira Gandhi Lara Datta. But in the India, the makeup and VFX
Same
industry is
here.
very good.
Yeah, same here. I
I
didn't
can
know
see
Indira Gandhi's role
I
was
can
done
see
by
Akshay
Lara
Kumar as
Datta.
a bird in 2.2. Akshay Kumar in a bird 2.2. But in the industry, this time of VFX and makeup, Amitabh Bachchan's look is very funny and unrealistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
It was
they
bad.
have some problem like this. Okay, like we are somehow bashing Gulab Jabu. I think we don't want to do
No,
that.
I am not
Yeah.
bashing. I'm just
Like
speaking
like
its bad aspects.
yeah. Like I think okay, that's enough. I guess so because we have mentioned a lot of bad aspects now. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll
My
now
let's
we
move on to the 3 favorite films of
yeah
Ayushmann Khurrana now.
yeah
Subbu goes first.
okay. Okay. Uh, Article 15 is my most favorite Ayushmann Khurrana film because like I love the film and how the way they made the film. It was very brave, you know.
Which one?
Yeah. Article 15. Article
Okay,
15.
Article.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And the second one might be Balli Ki Barfi because of the like it's not for me. It's more of a Rajkumar film, but still, it is the film that I really enjoyed a lot. Is one of the films that I really enjoyed watching in that time in 2017. I guess so was Balli Ki Barfi, and the third one would be. It might I have a huge confusion to go with Badaigo or Andhadhun. But still, I'm going with Badaigo because one scene I've cried in that film, you know. Like so, I really like that
Yeah,
film. Yeah,
One
I
scene you have
even
tried it.
don't
yeah,
like
yeah.
Bala
The
because sometimes
granny
I
used to
feel
talk about her daughter-in-law, you know. The grandma used to talk about
I
her
can relate Bala with
daughter-in-law.
my real
That
life also. I have some problems, not like hair problems, but the identity crisis I have at some time that this kind I can
yeah,
relate with
yeah.
Bala.
Yeah. And
Okay, Sayan, your 3 favorite films of Ayushmann Khurrana.
Three favorite films that really very tough choice for me. And at first I will go for Dam Laga Ke Haisha because
Wow.
uh, because the performance as a married and who hate his wife because he's fat, he's not so good looking, and after the game he accept her, and the kind is very good. And Damla Ke Khaisha is very good for me because the song were also good as the film, like Tu Meri Hai Prem Ki Bhasha. This
it's
is
more
very
like a
favorite
tribute to
song in my
Kumar Sama, you know.
all-time most favorites. Yeah,
Like yeah,
and the second film is I will go for uh, Article 15 because the issue really very good, and this kind of film is wanted to made in India with this kind of issue. If you saw northern India, especially UP, Bihar, yeah, this situation is also held in even in West Bengal also. When you saw the village area, this problem is here also. This Jat Path or even so, this kind of film is really wanted to made in India as well as the regional side. And last number 3, I will call. Um, Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan because the gay homosexual films is really rare in this film. But before that, there are also some great films about homosexuality as Deepa Mehta's Fire. But you
Fire.
saw the maximum films with like homosexuality. There are some sex scenes, bed scenes, and the sexual relationship, but they're kind of adult film. But Submanga Zyada Savdhan is like you can watch
yeah,
it
because
with your children
because
also. A
fire
family
is sorry
friendly
for
fun.
interrupting. Yes, sorry for interrupting because fire is an art film, you know. Fire is an art film, so they can do
No.
whatever they want.
He's no,
Like no, no, no,
Subbu.
like no, 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 like
You have
no,
got it
no,
wrong. Wait.
no, 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 no.
Wait, I'll
Like you got
explain.
it.
No,
I haven't completed my like I haven't completed this. Please, let me.
no. Wait. He didn't say it like that. he
No, like,
said that
like
he didn't
I'm
even
not
mention fire.
complaining him. Like, come on, I'm not saying anything
No,
bad
no,
about him.
I see. I am
Like, okay,
not
let me
saying that
complete
you
it.
are
Then
not.
you'll get to know why why I interrupted here. So
Wait, Subbu,
I'm not
wait.
even talking about his.
Just a minute,
Okay.
just a
Yeah.
minute, please.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that you are complaining him, or I'm not saying that like I'm not defending like that. He says about the crass comedies they are doing in the name of homosexual. He
Yeah.
does
Yeah.
not mention fire.
Like,
That's what I was about to say.
like I was about to say that I was
Even
about like
even
the
I got
point
it
that I
wrong.
came
Even I
to
got
say
it wrong.
is completely different. Okay, completely different. It's yeah, like he already mentioned fire, right? You already mentioned it, right? Fire. He did.
Yeah, he did. He did.
Yeah, yeah,
I meant
yeah,
that
Even I did.
in
Even
India,
I did.
yeah. Why I
films mean
came with
like
like
bed scenes, bed scenes, some adult scenes, that kind. But Submangal Zyada Shabda is also a family friendly film. You can watch it
yeah.
with
That's
your
what
children.
I was able to say that that's what I able to say that
Huh.
and also because like
Submangal Zyada
Fire
Shabda
is
is
an
not
art
so
film.
serious,
Fire is an art
because
film when
not so
Shubhankar
serious.
Chavdan is a
It shows the problem
commercial
with some
film.
comic and funny way. There is another film about homosexuality. It's Yours Emotionally. It is Pratik Gandhi's debut
Pratik
film.
Gandhi's.
Pratik Gandhi scam film. Pratik Gandhi. So in India, the culture is not so old.
But
The film made in India,
that is also
but this
in
kind
independent
of
film, you
way,
know.
the presentation is so unique. So so it is the presentation is very funny way, because it is a very heavy and very serious topic, but you can present a serious topic with light and comic, family friendly way. This is a great job who's done.
Yeah.
Ayushmann Khurrana, G. Jitendra Kumar, Gajraj
See,
Rao, Neena Gupta.
what science says is the topic should be considered serious and it
Like
should be
even
considered as
I was also
sensitive,
about to say
and the
that
topic should not be handed out to directors like Sajid Khan, who did Amshakals.
yeah, and
That's
also
what he
like
is
the
mentioning.
point I came to like the point the I have a point to make here is
Yeah,
Fire is an art film, okay, and Yours Emotionally is a independent film, but this is a commercial film with a star like Ayushmann Khurrana, okay, you know, but like with a star like Ayushmann Khurrana, they made a great film. That, that is something you should appreciate. Yeah, that is what I
bro,
was about to say. That, yeah,
that's what he is also saying, but
yeah,
in a
and you
different
got it
way.
wrong, and you thought that I was
No,
saying
I
like
did not get it wrong.
yeah,
I thought that, and see, I interrupted many times because you would get it must have been misconveyed or something. I
I'm not
interrupted
going to
to
misconvey
clear
anything
his
here.
point.
You know, I'm not going to I'm not going to
No, it's
anything.
not
Okay,
like that. See, even
I have to set
Even
the
in
point
India,
between that's a different
even
I
topic.
Indian
misconceive.
films like regional or Bollywood or even our Bengali industry, Tollywood, they present homosexuals in like a very comic, funny way. This is not very good. In real life, we treat them as, because we saw the films, they present their comic way, but they're not. This is not good. It is not realistic. Because this kind of film, Submangal Zyada Shabna, is really need to be made in every industry, Tollywood, Mollywood, Collywood, Bollywood, everywhere, because we need to understand the problem, because it can be yeah, this is a very good to watch. People watch, people mock them, they make fun, but when this happened in his real life, his son, his daughter, when he saw that his daughter or his son is homosexual, then the problem start. So India, so this film is to be made not so a serious film, not an art film that common man does understand. In his very funny way, very light way, that every single man can understand. From 8 years to 80 years, they can understand, they can feel the problem, can the solution. This kind of film is really need to be made for all the
True,
children in family friendly way.
true. See, Subbu, I was misconveyed. I misconceived the statement about fire. I misconceived everything about what he said. But when he ended the statement, I realized he was saying about crass comedy. Like Sajid Khan, who made Humshakals, or like Judua 2, films like that. Judua 2 had a gay factor in it. I hope you remember. They had a gay factor in it, which was
they had this
quite
in a
wrong.
lot of films, like Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya, they had this thing.
See, even Radhe,
Okay.
even
I
Radhe,
didn't watch
when
Radhe.
Jackie Saraf,
I didn't watch
when
Okay,
Radhe.
like
Jackie,
before
I
getting
have
into
no
that,
courage to watch Radhe.
Charan,
I have no courage to watch
we would
Radhe.
like to know your 3 favorite films because
okay, yeah.
like, the meaning is going to end.
My first favorite is Badai Ho. Ultimately, Badai Ho. Next one is Andhadhun, and third one is Vicky Donor. A special mention to Bareli Ki Barfi. Yeah, that's it. He has made a lot of
Bareli
films,
Ki
but
Barfi
these
is
are my
very
most.
good because there was Rajkumar Rao, and you saw whole attention is going to Rajkumar Rao. But in spite that, Ayushmann Khurrana did very well. Inspired very well. So this could be special mention in every list, every Ayushmann Khurrana fans list.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, I'm sorry for many arguments or something in this video because I misconceived it.
I have a question.
I
Okay,
didn't want anyone to
I have a
misconceive.
question before before we finishing the podcast. Yeah, like it's been 26 years of DDLJ. One of the film which is a like we can separate love
Epic.
films like love film
Epic.
before DDLJ and love films after DDLJ. That is such a trendsetter. So like, and also it is Kumar Sanu's birthday. So like he sang the song Tujhe Dekha To Jana Sanam, which is the anthem of Bollywood in South India. Okay, so which is your favorite song from DDLJ? And then we finish the podcast. Yeah,
I remember one song to
Yeah.
Tujhe Dekha To Hai Jana Sanam. Yeah, that's it. I don't remember other song.
Yeah.
Because Shah Rukh Khan is really a god for me. His all song is very special for me. But in DDLJ, I would say Ho Gaya Hai Tujhko To Pyar Sajna. This song is very good. So this is favorite song from DDLJ to me.
Yeah, for me, like people will judge me if I say the song, but still, I really like this song in the Mary Cabo Mejo, Mary
I
Cabo
haven't even
Mejo,
heard it.
like the Cabo
Cabo
Mejo.
Mejo.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Because
I haven't heard. I haven't heard any songs in DD.
Okay.
After 26 years, I realized DDLJ is very overhyped film because
I was about
I
to say
think
that
DDLJ made this like a
DDLJ is
super
overhyped film.
No, not at all. Not. DDLJ is defining film for me.
If a film like Swadesh of Shah Rukh Khan is underrated, then every film of Shah Rukh Khan is overrated. That's it. I made my point. No changes in my statement. I am a huge
Others
Shah
of
Rukh Khan
film,
fan.
this is
When I
more than just a
that.
film. Others of film, this is more than just a film. Yeah. Okay,
Sorry?
and
because DDLJ is very overhyped. No, that DDLJ make SRK was super, but despite other films, his performance is very good than DDLJ. My favorite film is Veer Zara. Veer Zara's performance
My
was
favorite
good.
film.
Even
My favorite romantic film is Veer Zara, and also Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
And you saw the Kabhi Ha Kabhi Na made by Kundan Shah in 1994. His the performance, even Yes Boss, Pardes, they
there are a
are
lot of
also
good
good.
films, but this is something which is like you cannot express through words. That is for me. I don't know how many times I've watched it.
Everyone
that
has
is,
that feeling. I'm not opposing that.
Like, yeah, 3.5 hour film, I guess so, but you don't mind about the duration. You just like even today, I watched it. Okay, I watched it some 2 hours and all. Uh, that is the impact that this film created. Maybe it is overhyped or whatever. I don't know, but this is something which is which they know why Shah Rukh Khan is a great actor. Like we all seen like after a bad decade, yeah, entire decade which didn't go really well for him, but still he's a superstar. I think it's one such a
I
reason
hope
is
Shah Rukh
because
Khan.
DDH.
I wish Shah Rukh Khan comes back from all his problems and give
Yeah,
a good movie.
yeah,
Really,
yeah,
I really feel bad.
yeah, yeah. Okay, we don't want to get into that, and I'm extremely
Yeah.
sorry, Charan. And
Another day we'll talk about Shah Rukh Khan and his films. Another.
oh my God, we have already done this.
We have already talked about.
Yeah, I've already done twice. Okay, I've made a podcast about Shah Rukh Khan and I've made a podcast about all these three Khans. Okay, so okay, we'll do something like that. Yeah, we'll do. Maybe which is
Okay.
not
Okay.
repeatable. Yeah, and also I'm really sorry,
Yeah.
Charan, and also
This
Sayan. I
podcast may
made
be
you.
loud. No,
Yeah,
this podcast may be loud for people who watch it because we had a lot of arguments in this podcast.
yeah,
That is because of
yeah. I'm
me.
a
I
dumbass.
am really sorry for that. Because of
Yeah.
me. And thank
I'm a
you,
dumbass guy.
Sayan, for
Sorry,
joining us.
I'm extremely sorry.
And
It's
even
all because
we
of
were
me.
speaking in Tamil, Sayan was bearing with it. Thanks for that.
Yeah, I'm extremely sorry, guys. Please do apologize me. Please don't
Same
take
here,
this
same here.
personally, guys. Yeah, no, Charan.
No,
Like
no, no.
it's my mistake. I know it's my mistake. I'm extremely
No,
sorry.
no. We'll
Yeah, like
settle it in
I
another way.
loves to apologize. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, and thanks, Sayan, for coming. Yeah,
Thank you, Sayan.
yeah, we are looking forward to collaborate with you in future. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and thanks,
Okay,
Charan.
this is MSB Talks and this is Art and
Commercial.
Commercial signing off with Sayan.
Yeah,
See you in the next podcast.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye.